Hello. I'm gonna give you a quick introduction to Ansys Workbench 16.0. We will discuss explicit dynamics, and we're gonna model an RC column which is subjected to a blast load, and the blast material is TNT. So that's what we're gonna do here. So to start with the geometry, you'll have to select and drag into this project schematic. The geometry is selected and drag to the project schematic. It will display a tab like this, and we need one more thing, which is engineering data. Do the same, create a standalone system, and then we're gonna have several materials such as TNT, structural steel, concrete, and air. So it's better if you predefine it before when you go to the work. Just double click on engineering data, and then it will launch into engineering data sources. So by default we have a structural steel over here. We don't have to add a structural steel. And then go to this engineering data sources, and you'll see data sources over here. We have 1 to 10 categories by default. We have general materials, general non-linear materials, and what we need is explicit materials, since we are doing explicit dynamics analysis. And select explicit materials. It will display a couple of materials which is coming under explicit materials and data sources. So we need TNT, so go for TNT, and here we are. And to add into the data source, we need into the library we need to hit this plus button, plus button, and we need air, atmospheric air is added, and we need concrete. So I'm gonna choose concrete 35 MPa. Okay, we're done. So if you wanna edit the properties, like if you wanna edit a property of TNT, select TNT, and it will show the properties of the material. So you can actually edit by clicking into the value, the box. So we have